Okay, son, sign your Mother's Day card. Sign the Mother's Day card. It's for your great-grandma. Will you sign it? That's pretty good. I don't think you made a mark, though. Is the pen more interesting than the paper? Why don't you do us a favor? You could just drool on it. I'm sure that would do the job. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. Oh! Whoa! You're doing pretty good. Look at that. Check it out. That looks good, son. Thank you for making such a high quality signature. Do you have any more you want to add? Soren. Soren.